Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is if sine power 4x divided by 2 plus cos power 4x divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5, then here we have four options. So we have to choose one option from these four options which are given. So let's do how do we solve this problem. Solution. So the question which is given, sine power 4x divided by 2 plus cos power 4x divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. So this is the question. So here we have to do cross multiply. So 3 times sine power 4x plus 2 times cos power 4x divided by 2 times 3, which is equal to 6, is equal to 1 by 5. So now here multiply this term. So 6 times 1, 6. See 3 sine power 4x plus 2 cos power 4x is equal to 6 by 5. So here we have 3 sine power 4x, right? We can write this sine power 4x plus 2 sine power 4x, so which is equal to 3 sine power 4x, 2 cos power 4x. So now sine power 4x plus, so from these two terms we have common, that is 2. We are taking out 2 as a common. Now here we will get leftover numbers. So now we need to find this term. So here we can write this sine square whole to x whole to the power of 2. So a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So use this formula. Here we can write like this, plus cos square x whole to the power of 2. So plus 2 sine square x cos square x minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So 2 sine square x cos square x minus 2 sine square x cos square x, which is equal to 0. So we can write like that. So now you can see here, this is in a form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we know this formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So use this formula. Here we can write, so a value is sine square x and b value is cos square x whole square. So write this term as it is, 2 sine square x cos square x. So now, so we know this formula, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So in place of this term we will write 1 square minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So now this value is equal to this value. So sine power 4x plus cos power 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So in place of this term we are going to write this term. So now take this equation. So sine power 4x plus 2. So now here we have this term, right? So is equal to 1 minus, so in place of that term we are writing this term, 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x is equal to 6 by 5. Sine power 4x plus, multiply these two terms, so 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, sine square x cos square x is equal to 6 by 5. Sine power 4x plus 2, so minus 4 sine square x. So here we have cos square x, right? So here from this equation we can write cos square x 1 minus sine square x. So this is the value of cos square x. So here we will write cos square x value 1 minus sine square x is equal to 6 by 5. So now multiply these two terms, and then we'll get as sine power 4x plus 2 minus 4 times 1 4 sine square x. So here minus minus it will become plus. So 4 sine square power sine power 4x. So here we have 2 powers, 2 times 2 which is equal to 4 is equal to 6 by 5. So you can see here we have sine power 4x, 4 sine power 4x which is equal to 5 sine power 4x plus 2 minus 4 sine square x. So now just move this term to the left side. Now it will be minus 6 by 5 is equal to 0. So 5 sine power 4x minus 4 sine square x. So here 2 minus 6 by 5 which is equal to 4 by 5 is equal to 0. Now multiply by 5 on both sides. So 5 times 5 which is equal to 25 sine power 4x. So minus 5 times 4 which is equal to 20 sine power 2x plus. So here 5 both are get cancelled. We will get here 4 is equal to 0. So now 25 we can write is 5 power sine square x whole to the power of 2. So minus, so here, so 20 we can write this 2 times 5 10 and sine square x times 2. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 5 20. So plus 4 we can write this 2 square is equal to 0. So now this is in a form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0. Sorry. So we know this formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is in a form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we know this formula. So a square minus 2ab plus b square which is equal to a minus b whole square. So use this formula here we can write. So a value is 5 sine square x minus b value is 2 whole square is equal to 0. So now we can write this 5 sine square x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 5 sine square x is equal to 0 2. So sine square x is equal to 2 by 5. So here we got sine square value. To find the cos square value, so we know this formula cos square x 1 minus sine square x. So now, so here 1 minus sine square x value is 2 by 5. Just substitute the value of sine square x 2 by 5. So here, so 3 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 value is 3 by 5. So now we'll take tan square x is equal to sine square x divided by cos square x. So we know this formula tan square x is equal to sine square x divided by cos square x. So just substitute the value of sine square x cos square x in this equation. So now it will be 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. So we'll get 5 both are get cancelled. We'll get 2 by 3. So this is the tan square value. So tan square x value is 2 by 3. So we will check into the options. We will see into the options. So here we have tan square x divided by 2 by 3 and tan square x is equal to 1 by 3. So in this, from these two options, which one is the correct answers? This one is the correct answer and this one is the wrong answer. So here we have two more options. Now we'll see from these two equations which one is the right answer. We'll check. Sine square sine power 8 x divided by 8 plus cos power 8 divided by 27 1 by 125. So this is the B option. So let's verify. So sin power 8 x divided by 8 plus cos power 8 x divided by 27. So this term we can write 1 by 8 sin power 4 sin square x whole to the power of 4 plus 1 by 27 cos square x whole to the power of 4. So this term we can write like this. So 1 by 8. So we know the values of sin square x and cos square x, right? Sin square x value is 2 by 5 and cos square x value is 3 by 5. So just substitute the value of this term in this equation. Then we'll get 2 by 5 whole to the power of 4 plus 1 by 27, 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4. So 1 by 8. So here 2 power 4 which is equal to 16 and 5 power 4 which is equal to 625 plus 1 by 27. So 3 power 4 which is equal to 81 and 5 power 4 which is equal to 625. So here 8 times 2 16. So now it will be 2 625 plus, so 227 times 3 81. So now it will be 3 by 625. So now we can write this 2 plus 3 divided by 625 and 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. 5 625. So we can divide it by 5. So 5 times 125 is equal to 625. So 1 by 125. So this is the value of sin power 8 x divided by 8 plus cos power 8 x divided by 27 is equal to 125. See here. So here, so from these two options, B is the right answer and D is the wrong answer. So here, so for this question, so we have both answers. We got both two answers. So that are A, B. So A and B are the solutions for this question. Thank you for watching.